went ahead and booked it online, so I can just go ahead and use the lounge.
Yep, you're all set.
Oh, you didn't see, this is cool. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So I work from home a lot. I'm a real estate agent. We sell real estate. We work from our computer, and after COVID, a lot of us work from home. We set up an amazing space in our house. In fact, when I help people buy and sell, it's big. They talk about their home office. Well, sometimes we get bored of that, right? Or it gets a little like claustrophobic, or your kids are home, or whatever you want to do. So I actually found an amazing space in downtown Orlando called Expansive. It's about 8 or 9 floors. It's in the historic Angebilt building downtown. You can actually get, I got a lounge pass for the day and a private office for the day. Runs anywhere between $30 to $89. So I'm gonna take you through a nice long video of like what it looks like, what it is. You can come just for the day. You can rent month to month. You can sign a long-term lease. A lot of people don't love long-term leases, so that's why this place exists. But it's a nice co-working space. I think you guys are gonna love it. So come inside with me and let's have a look, all right? Fancy. All right. So if you have a permanent space here and you rent here permanently, they actually put your company logo up here, which is pretty fantastic. So that way, if you have a guest come or a client come, they can go here, they see your logo, they go upstairs. If you're coming here for the first time, you can go right here. You can meet our sales team, take a tour, you can search the directory. There's hundreds of businesses here. It's actually fantastic. Look at the architecture here. So it has like a nice historic feel, but they've definitely modernized it. So right when you walk in, if you're meeting clients here, if you just want a cool space, like this feels super fancy. We're in downtown Orlando, right? What's cool about this is if you've never been here before, you actually can get a free day pass. I put Dana, the sales manager's information below in the description. Email her, she'll give you a free day pass. All right, let's go upstairs. Let's check out the space. So on the second floor is the main lobby area where you can come and basically get your lounge pass or reserve your office for the day if it's a day thing you want. You can actually do it online, which is super easy to do. That's what I did. You just go to the website and you say book now, you put what you want, and then you come up, you see Renee, and you tell her you're here, just like this. Hi Renee, how are you? So I went ahead, I'm fantastic. I went ahead and booked it online, so I can just go ahead and use the lounge.
Yep, you're all set.
Oh, awesome, awesome. All right, let's go check out the lounge. So again, like a lot of people go to a coffee place, which is super fun. I've been there, I've done other videos like that, but this is an actual workspace. So you can go here, you can focus, you can have somebody meet you here. Again, I sell real estate, so I do a lot of consultations about buying homes and selling homes. They also have a full refrigerator, espresso machine over there. And then there's other private offices around here. You can rent that office for the day, or you can rent it month to month. Another great thing about Expansive in their workspace is that you can rent conference rooms. They have multiple ones on all the different levels. Seats about 4 to 8 to 10 people, and it's $40 for an hour, which is actually crazy cheap. Most meetings don't last more than 2 hours, so 80 bucks in and out, you can do it. So come in here. This one is actually on that second level where the lounge is. They do have a conference right here if you want to do a conference call. They have a TV with full AV right here, so you can plug in your laptop, you can share your screen, you can do whatever you want. And then they also have a dry erase board over here, and the view is pretty spectacular. Another thing is they have this shared desk space. This is a monthly fee. It starts around $329 a month. This is actually a shared space. So you can just rent this desk that comes with a chair, everything is a file cabinet, and you can leave it here. You lock the door, dedicated desk, around $329 a month. If you have 3 people, a 3-person team, this is actually pretty great if everybody just wants to rent it for the month. So these rooms are super cool. So this is a little phone room. So let's say you're sharing that space with 2 other people. Maybe you don't know them and you want to take a phone call. Well, they actually have these little phone booths in here. So if you go in here, you can come in here. This is just open space. It has sound barriers right here. You can sit here, you can put your laptop up. And this is on, they have these on every floor as well. Okay, so now we're here at Expansive with Dana. She's head of sales here, and
Hi.
she's the one who's gonna basically show us around. She's gonna show us some real suites. But real quick, can you tell us a little bit about the history of this amazing building?
Absolutely. This building actually used to be a hotel. It's 100 years old. It actually just celebrated its 100th birthday in March of this year. Big celebration. City of Orlando was here, the mayor, everyone was here.
And how do you pronounce it? The
It's the Angebilt building.
Angebilt building.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
How long has Expansive been in this building?
4 years.
4 years, okay. And how many floors are there?
There's 11 floors total.
Okay.
We have co-working as well, so lounge area access, as well as specific areas of the building where somebody can come in and just set up and work for the day.
I think it's $30 for the day, right?
Correct. If you're doing a day pass, it's 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
That's plenty of time to get
But
to
if
work
you're
done.
doing, if you do the actual membership, the actual membership is only $149 a month.
Okay.
And you have access every day of the week from 6 a.m. to 12 hours.
$149 a month,
So,
and you can come here whenever you want, 6 a.m. to
Basically,
midnight.
Yes.
That's amazing.
Every day.
And in the lounge, they have a refrigerator, they have a espresso
Yeah, we
machine.
have 2 refrigerators, we have 2 microwaves, 2 dishwashers, unlimited espresso machine, coffee, outside of that, tea.
Okay.
So
that's the lounge, and then you have the shared space. There's 3 desks in there, right? And that's
That's our dedicated desk.
Okay.
We have a few offices that are set up for that.
Okay.
Our dedicated desk is nice because it gives somebody an option to have a still more of a private space. You are sharing it with other individuals that you may or may not necessarily know.
But you can go with a friend or a buddy or a coworker, right? And say,
right.
hey, let's share this space.
Absolutely.
And then monthly, $149 for the lounge pass.
Correct.
And then what's your most expensive suite, give or take?
So
Sure,
the top 2 are going to range anywhere between about $12,000, almost $14,000 a month.
So you can be here for $30 a day or $14,000 a month, right?
Correct.
So
I mean,
everywhere in between, right?
Yeah, we hold teams from 1 to 100.
That's so cool.
And we have all the in between. There's a lot of in between there as well. So
and
there's
again,
a lot
Wi-Fi
of
comes with it, and no utilities.
Yeah,
Just
no
just
utilities.
bring your backpack.
Correct.
Right?
Yep.
So can you take us and show us some suites?
Absolutely, I would love to.
Let's go see some suites.
This is what we call our Smart Suite, which is one of our advanced Premier Suite options. This particular one has built-in Alexa with speaker.
Built-in Alexa? No way.
Yeah. We have a private, smaller office with a lockable door here. We have our conference room set up as well in here. All of our office spaces are furnished with desks and chairs.
These views are great.
This is a room. If you come in, we've got our dry erase board already up, which those are in all offices as well. Our TV setup, which is a Chrome connected setup where you can basically plug everything in.
Oh, right, and just
what you need to
share
do.
screen.
Yeah.
How much would this be, or give or take? Where does this start at?
So this particular one is around $6,500 a month.
This is really,
It's really pretty.
Yeah,
it's
it's
nice
really-
view.
this
I
like-
love the view from here.
I do too.
Utilities are included in everything.
Okay.
24/7 access.
24 hours a day?
We're only staffed Monday through Friday.
Right.
The building is open and available to our clients 24/7.
So if I want to come here and have a meeting at 3 a.m. with China,
do it.
I can do it.
You can do it. Size-wise, it's everything ranging from as small as 64 square feet,
Yeah.
all the way up to 3,000 square feet. One feature we did not look at yet.
Oh, you didn't see, this is cool.
So there's a little wine refrigerator, microwave.
That's super important.
Dishwasher. It is so important.
So we could also change the arrangement here. If I said I want 30 desks, 30 chairs facing that way, or I want 10 and 10, right?
It's going to be your home for a while,
Right.
so you want to make it yours.
So what are the different kinds of companies that rent here? You have obviously probably real estate agents.
Wide range. Business consultants, brokers, mortgage brokers,
Okay.
podcasters.
But again, that comes with utilities, Wi-Fi, desks, kitchen,
Yes.
waiting area.
Kitchen, wide open space, all your utilities, nightly cleaning services, 24/7 access. You'll also be set up with, we have several apps that you'll have access to if you're someone that sees clients. You'll be set up.
You can buzz them in and stuff, right?
Yeah, buzz them in.
Yeah, this is cool. And then you get your own conference room. You can plug in everything here and share your screen.
Awesome view.
Beautiful view
Yeah,
of
it's
Orlando.
an awesome view, I think.
Yes. So what's cool about this is that there's so many different businesses. It's not just one big company. So, this is my private office today. So I'm just renting this for the day. Again, 89 bucks for this amazing space. So I have 2 desks here. So if I want to share it with somebody, I got this. I got a great view. I can sit in here all day. So that is Expansive Workspace in downtown Orlando. We think it's a really cool option for anybody wanting a short-term lease or a long-term lease or a daily lounge pass. It's pretty cool. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. We do a lot of content here about living in Orlando, working in Orlando, being in Orlando. Yeah, also, if you do have a space that you love to work at that we haven't talked about, go ahead and comment below and let us know. But thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.